Look around you. Everywhere you turn, you see someone battling with a very serious health condition. Diabetes in teenagers, kidney failures, liver failures in adults, cancers, breast lumps, hormonal disorders, infertility, impotency. Why is all these things happening? Why are people getting sicker, younger, and more frequent like never before? Is it genetics? Are we infected? I mean, is this bad luck? Or is there something deeper that we are missing? I am going to expose the real reason behind this health crisis. The reason why people are constantly falling sick. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how to come out of every health condition you find yourself, and also how to avoid it. If you don't visit the hospital often, you will not know how serious this is. But ask your doctors. Hospitals are overwhelmed. Pharmacies are jammed. Go and ask pastors. They will tell you the endless cases of sick persons they have to deal with every day. The most shocking aspect of all these things is that most of these diseases we are not common 30 years, 40 years, 50 years ago. Young men in their 20s did not battle with erectile dysfunction, impotency. Teenage girls did not have hormonal disorders. They didn't have to deal with infertility, breast lumps, cancers. We aren't this rampant before. Something has changed and it's affecting each and every one of us. Something has changed. Something is wrong somewhere. I am Azumna, and this is the Book of Health.